friends, sharing to you my outfit for today. Lipsticks ako. So nakatiniil ko today. So kung sa ako ang flat akong gigamit. Still on, still okay. Naubol ang gamay. So okay kaya siya. Let's put it on. Right. So this is my outfit for today. I'm wearing top is from Zara. Then my inner, white inner. Ang white inner is from Shein. My skirt from Kai. Then TikTok shop ang shoes, flat shoes. Then akong charm bracelet as always. Akong charm bracelet. So this is my outfit for today.
Why you wear that dress, making everyone upset?
Bye.